Have you ever found yourself waiting anxiously for your paycheck, only to realize it hasn't arrived yet? The dreaded direct deposit delay can be a frustrating experience, especially when you're counting on that money to cover your bills. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have probably wondered about. How long does it actually take for OnPay to direct deposit your funds? Imagine this: you've just clocked out after a long, hard week. You're excited to treat yourself to a well-deserved dinner or maybe even a new gadget. But as the weekend rolls around, you check your bank account, and it's still empty. What gives? Direct deposit has become the preferred method for receiving paychecks due to its convenience and efficiency. It eliminates the hassle of physical checks and ensures your money is deposited directly into your bank account. However, the speed at which these deposits are processed can vary depending on several factors. Factors affecting OnPay direct deposit speed. Payday timing. The day of the week your employer processes payroll can significantly impact the timing of your direct deposit. If your payday falls on a weekend or holiday, it may take an extra day or two for the funds to reach your account. Bank processing times. Your bank's policies and procedures also play a role in how quickly direct deposits are processed. Some banks may have faster turnaround times than others. OnPay processing speed. OnPay itself has its own processing times for direct deposits. While they strive to process payments as quickly as possible, there may be occasional delays due to system issues or other unforeseen circumstances. Typical OnPay direct deposit timeframes. Standard processing. In most cases, you can expect your OnPay direct deposit to arrive within 1 to 3 business days after your employer processes payroll. This time frame assumes that there are no unusual delays or issues. Early direct deposits. Some employers or financial institutions may offer early direct deposit options, which can allow you to access your funds sooner. However, this is not always available, and it may come with additional fees. Delayed deposits. While rare, there may be instances where your OnPay direct deposit is delayed. This could be due to factors such as incorrect bank account information, system errors, or holidays. If you experience a delay, it's important to contact OnPay customer support for assistance. Tips for tracking your direct deposit. Check your bank account regularly. Keep an eye on your bank account balance to monitor the status of your direct deposit. Contact your employer. If you're concerned about a delayed direct deposit, don't hesitate to reach out to your employer's payroll department. They can provide you with more information and assistance. Contact OnPay customer support. If you're unable to resolve the issue with your employer, you can contact OnPay customer support for further assistance. While direct deposit is generally a convenient and efficient way to receive your paycheck, there may be occasional delays. By understanding the factors that can affect processing times and taking proactive steps to track your deposit, you can minimize frustration and ensure you have access to your funds when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to stay informed and plan ahead to avoid any unexpected financial surprises.